Now, track and field programs in Jamaica which were impacted by Hurricane Melissa are set to benefit from a donation of US $100,000 from Athletics World Governing Body. The announcement was made by World Athletics President Lord Sebastian Coe during a press conference at the J3A's headquarters in Kingston on Wednesday. World Athletics President Lord Sebastian Coe revealed at a press conference at the J3A's headquarters in Kingston on Wednesday that he had reached out to the local governing body 3 days after the passage of Hurricane Melissa to see how they could assist athletes, schools and institutions within the sport which were impacted by the devastating hurricane. He noted that his visit to Jamaica was a continuation and culmination of that discussion and announced that World Athletics would donate US $100,000 or Jamaican $15.6 million to assist in hurricane relief efforts as it pertains to the impact on local track and field.
What have I learned from my visit? I've learned that there are things that World Athletics can help with. We have expertise, we have experience, we have the ability to recruit external teams and agencies to come to the table to help. And yes, we do have modest sums available to us in terms of financial resource. And I'm delighted to be able to announce this morning that through the International Athletics Foundation, we will make available $100,000 to help with those pathways and those programs. They are still to be determined.
He further added that World Athletics would also look to further assist with wider hurricane relief efforts through a 5K run to be staged in Kingston in April.
One of the meetings that I had yesterday was with the Mayor of Kingston, and that was a very helpful, productive and fruitful meeting. And at the end of that, we have decided that probably around the Easter period, we will organise a 5K run, participation run. The main purpose of that will be to raise funds for the hurricane victims and the programs that we've talked about. I have agreed to become the patron of that race. I'll see how my training goes in the next few weeks before I make any further commitments about my involvement on the day.
Lord Coe, who was first elected World Athletics President in August 2015, also congratulated local coach David Riley on his recent appointment to the World Athletics Coaches Commission, noting it was a grueling process.
For those of you who are unfamiliar with our structures, we have just created a coaching commission, and David will serve with distinction on that commission and also bring his experience of coaching, particularly in this environment, to the broader discussions at World Athletics that inevitably coaching touches in development and in competition, clearly athletes, and even some of the governance issues around safeguarding. So David, thank you for throwing your hat in the ring, and congratulations that you came through a grueling and grilling process.
Wednesday's press conference culminated Lord Coe's official 3-day visit to the island. He'll depart the island on Thursday for the World Cross Country Championships in Tallahassee, Florida.